I'm so glad I have this big room.
It's so cute, I've always dreamt of it.
What is it? Don't you think this teddy bear's too big?
This is your new home, Fluffy. Make yourself comfortable.
Really? No way. No. Get this thing out or I'll throw it away.
Stop it. It doesn't bother anyone. It's so cute.
You heard me. I warned you.
Aw, who's so angry? I like coziness. Everything should be perfect here. Aww.
Ugh. A nice sister is the worst thing ever. So annoying.
What's happening? Ah! Oh my god, how did it happen? Cool, it's a dream.
Oh no, what happened? Give me my blanket. Jeez, darn it.
Finally, a bunk bed. It can be super comfy.
Are you joking? It looks like a deck chair. Wait, how can I get there? I can't do it. I hate this bed.
What's up? Something wrong? I should take a video.
Just help me.
Just a second. You can use a ladder.
What? What is it?
Ta-da! It's a ladder, Betty.
Wait, it should be attached. Here you go. It won't fall now. It's not that bad. I should add a few more details. Now the main part. It's gonna be cool. The more paint, the better. It looks like real lava. Keep going. That girly girl is gonna be in shock. It's not that hard. Just be creative. Done. It looks like a volcano. Why am I not an artist?
I like everything nice and soft.
Pink is my favorite color.
It looks so great. It's just a dream.
What's that?
No, I won't let it. That's it. It's so nice and sweet. I won't even want to get up. Wait, organza? I need it. Cut it out. Real petals. So soft. One more thing. Done. I need to burn it a little so it won't have strings. Now I need to make a flower. I'll use hot glue. So nice. In the middle of it, I have to make leaves. I'll cut it out of foam paper. It's gonna be a wonderful flower. So beautiful. I need more flowers.
Careful, it can be dangerous. Boom, and that's it. You can see Bad Betty lives here. Done. No trespassing.
Wow, they're wonderful. I love butterflies. So pretty. That's all. Time to relax and enjoy the vibes. Hey! Get your feet off. Did you hear me?
Right, an idea. With these bright curtains, I'll have my own personal space. Just tie it with ribbon. Done. Cool. No one's gonna bother me. Nothing special. Betty knows how to make her personal space, too. This little fence looks cool here. Just use a claw clip. Another side, too. Great. A few more scary details. Wow. Be aware, it's Betty's territory. How's my sister doing? Oh, it's just Nikki. So sweet it makes me sick.
Nice, but I need something.
Right! Colors!
Done. It'll sparkle.
Wow!
Betty's gonna be mad!
I should just turn it on. Now we're talking. So beautiful. I like neon lights.
Well, this world needs bold design. Draw a sketch on cardboard. Cool! Now cut it out carefully.
Now I should color you. Black marker pen, a bit of patience, and done.
Now makeup. I can make acrylic patterns like this. Don't worry, you'll like it. Wow, you're so handsome now. I'll need to put these things together with this cardboard. Use hot glue. The first part is done. Do the second part. I'm on the way to success. Let's add some lights. A skull lamp is the best dream catcher. Cool! Scary handmade. Now we can have fun.
Oops. Oh, where did this ball come from? Wait, what if...
Cover the ball with a layer of acrylic paint.
You look good in pink. It's perfect! Our sweetest ball. Mixed stripes with whiteout. I'm so sorry. I have to cut this out. Poof!
A zipper is here. Put a zipper on the ball and you have a great bag. Beads for a bag handle.
Nice. Now I know where to hide my snacks.
What about me? That's unfair. Thanks, sister. You're the best.
I like my place so much. You did a great job.
Time to visit.
Cool. That's a great idea. Come on.
It's nice here. Wait a second. Is it my ball?
Oops. I'm so sorry. I needed it. Do you want something in return?
I'll think about it. Well, yeah, I want that.
David, no. I can't give him to you. Are you sure?
I am. Give it to me.
Okay then. This sucks.
I'm sorry. We should change your style. Have you ever got makeup?
It's so unfair. Why, David? Wait, I know how to cheer myself up. Right, I'll make a swing out of these sticks. Make a wooden frame. One beam at a time. Great. It's the right size. I need to put it together. Now I should hang a swing. It's so fun!
Hi, handsome. Do you like your new style? Wait, what's going on here?
Hey,
Ooh.
that's not cool. It should have been my idea. Don't be sad. I have some more here.
Cool. Give it to me. Come on. If Nikki could do it, I can too. Easy peasy. Okay, it's here, it's there. My swing will be as cool as hers, but my chain is better. It works! Now I should make a seat from an old box. Great! I like it.
That's so cool. Oh, wait, it's not my style. I need to do something. Well, I can make a good vine out of this paper. I should twist it. Now it's straight. Almost done. flowers will come in handy.
Wow!
Magical jungles. This is like a dream come true. So magical.
Whoa!
My swing will be cool too. Spider web. Oh, locals. Welcome. Make yourself at home.
Hey, Betty, what's up?
Not bad. Soda and swing? What could be better? Wait here. Oops. No! No way! I don't like cleaning. Okay, I can do it later. Wait, what is it? An old vinyl record? It's very hard. Great! Right, I need a flat iron and parchment paper. Warm up the plastic. Bend the edge at the right angle. I think it fits here. Use a screw. The shelf for snacks is ready. No more sparkling accidents. Sweet shelf is always at your elbow.
Wow, Betty, you're so smart. I wish I could think of something like that. I need something from which I can make anything.
Sure, take that.
Ew! Chewed up gum? Really? I'll try to think of something. Oh, why did I take it? Sure, everything's fine. I can make a great plan. I need a lot of feathers. So nice. So sweet. Plant a palm in a tall vase. Flamingo palm. It's gorgeous.
It's time to rest now.
Great idea. I'd my favorite snack right there.
It's so boring. I should think of something. Nah, it's too boring. Maybe change the scenery? Wait, good idea. Look what you have there.
Okay, I haven't been there.
How's your swing?
It's no fun.
Right? I don't like it.
I know what to do. We should think of something unusual.
You're right, something new. I think we solved our problem.
What is it?
Pop Rock Festival.
Wow!
That's so great!
Right? Are we going?
Only bring the essentials.
Yeah, let's go!
So cool! I can't believe it.
Don't worry, everything is going to be okay with your room.
Okay, let's go.
Have fun!